So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy style tutorial on my 4C natural hair. Now this is actually the night before, so I'm just going to go ahead and part the front section of my hair and twist that section, and I'm also going to plait the remaining portion of my hair so I can style it in the morning. And now I'm just going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's Curlala. Now this is a water-based product, so I'm not going to apply any water to my hair. I'm just going to apply the product onto my dry hair. So as you know, my hair tends to shrink a lot, so I'm just going to go in with my clips and I'm just going to stretch my hair to the back and then clip it with the clips that I have. And this is for tonight, guys. I'm just gonna tie this down, have my bath, and go to my bed, and I'll see you in the morning. So guys, time to style my hair. So I'm just gonna take out the clips and stretch my hair back to the front because this is the angle at which I want it to be. And now I'm just gonna undo these plaits and go ahead to style this section of my hair. So before I go into style my hair, I'm just going to apply my black castor oil with the rosemary. Guys, I love to use this oil as it gets my hair really soft. And now I'm just going to apply a little Eco Style gel onto my hair. So now I'm just gonna go in to braid my hair, or what you guys call it, cornrow, or in the Caribbean term, cane row. So I'm just gonna cane row this section of my hair. If it is that you cannot cane row, then you can just go ahead and do a twist pattern, or you can simply catch your hair at the back, and that's it. So guys, what I'm gonna do with the end of my hair now is to place it in, but I'm gonna use my hairpins and just to tuck it inside. I'm gonna use my got2b glue and my old toothbrush just to give my edges some pattern, my baby hair, guys. So guys, this is it. What I'm gonna do is to use the same black castor oil and just to apply it to my twist at the front. And guys, you can wear the style just as is with the twist, but you know I'm a bit stylish, so I'm just gonna undo the twist just to get my hair into the fluffy style that I want. So guys, if this is your first time tuning in, thank you for clicking onto my video. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you too can be updated as to when I post my next video. Guys, I went ahead to accessorize my hair. I didn't put a lot of accessories in because I don't like when my hair is too proudy. But guys, this is a cute and simple hairstyle and I am truly loving it. So if you are loving this look and you want to try, go ahead and let me know how it works for you guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.